Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix low volume on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. So if the volume on your phone is a little too quiet, I'm going to show you how to fix that, or what you can do to try and fix that. So the first thing that we're going to try doing is adjusting the media and call volume. And to do that, we're going to press one of the volume keys to open up this little bar right here on the side. And then we're going to tap on the three dots to open up a little menu that allows us to change the different sounds in our phone, or like change the volume of the sounds. So just make sure to turn all of them up like that to get the volume up, and maybe that was the issue. So the next thing we can try doing is disabling Do Not Disturb, because sometimes Do Not Disturb also mutes the sounds on our phone. So let's just find the Do Not Disturb button. It should be right around here, but if you cannot find it, you can add it by going to the three dots on the top right, clicking Edit Buttons, and then finding it in this section right here. So let's look for it. So if it's somewhere around here, just drag it like that and add it to this section. But if it isn't, you can you can turn on Do Not Disturb in the settings. But here I have Do Not Disturb, and just make sure that it's disabled. So it should be like gray colored when it's disabled. Right now it's on, and now it's off. The next thing we can try doing is cleaning the speakers or the headphone port if you're using that. So we have two speakers, one at the bottom, so this one right here, and then we have this little slit on the top that is a speaker for when you're on call with someone. So just make sure to clean them out with like a soft brush, something non-metallic, to not damage your phone, and that should get some of the dirt out and make this sound better. Then what you can also do is put the phone in safe mode to check if an app is interfering with the sound. So what safe mode does is it turns off all of the third-party apps on your phone to pretty much just have the base phone experience. So to do that, we're going to open up the control panel, tap on the power icon on the top right, hold on the power off icon, and then tap safe mode. So this will launch safe mode, and as I said, all of the third-party apps will be disabled, and maybe that is the issue, that one of the apps is interfering with the sound. And to exit out of safe mode, just restart your phone and it will be back to normal with all of the third-party apps enabled. So the last thing we can try doing is updating the software, because if it's a software bug, there might be a new software update that's released to help fix that. So what we need to do is open up the settings, scroll down to software update, click download and install, and here it's going to show you if you have a new update available. If you do, just wait for it to download, then install it on your phone, and that will pretty much restart your phone. Now you will have the latest version and your issue might be fixed. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.